Meow, 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 meow.
Hello everyone, it's She. Today, we are drawing a cute kitten. Let's draw these kittens together. I love drawing and painting kittens. Please try to draw with me. Now I am drawing the face of the kitten. Drawing to ear of the kitten. Looks, the kitten is watching the drawing. She looks so cute.
Meow, 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 meow.
Drawing the body and paw of the kitten.
Meow, 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 meow.
The kitten name is Mew.
Meow, 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 meow,
Drawing the tail of the Mew. Mew tail is very cute and long.
Meow, 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 meow,
Mew paw, looking so cute.
Meow, meow, meow,